Good evening, guys. Bill McMillan here with NDWX.com with the 6 to 10 day agriculture and harvest outlook. And overall, the pattern is going to be drier than normal as we go through the 6 to 10 day period. But we are going through a bit of a transition from what will be a warmer than average pattern early on to one that is really going to begin to turn colder late in the period. Overall, we think precipitation, and this is a model blend, averages right around a quarter inch in the 6 to 10 day time frame. So certainly a drier than average pattern, and one that's going to be favorable for harvest as we go through the period. We'll start on day 6 here with the European ensemble and put this into motion. You're going to notice the ridge that dominates late this week into the upcoming weekend gives way to the pattern change as an eastern trough really begins to carve itself out as we go through the 8 to 10 day time frame. And indications continue to suggest as we look ahead in time that this eastern trough really becomes the norm as we go into early November as well. Now that's going to spell a rather dramatic shift in the overall pattern to one that favors colder than normal conditions, and there's also the chance, and to be bold with it and perfectly frank, we think the first flakes of the season fly right around or a little bit before Halloween through the Midwest and on into the Appalachians as well. We won't get ahead of ourselves and discuss that just yet. That'll come later this week. This is a look at the expected temperature anomalies in the 6 to 10 day period, and this accounts for how warm it's going to be obviously during the 6 to 7 day time frame this weekend, and then the cooler air that begins to settle in into the eastern portion of the country as we go towards the latter portion of the 10 day. Needless to say, it's a period of transition, and it continues to look drier than average. We will see some showers move into the state as a cold front approaches late in the weekend and early next week. Thank you as always for logging on to NDWX.com. We'll talk with you soon.